Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll be taking a look at the Akko V3 Cream Yellow switches. These switches are linear switches, meaning there is no tactile bump, and it has an actuation force of 50 grams, a bottom out force of 58 grams, and a travel distance of 3.5 millimeters. For the materials, the switch top and bottom housing is polycarbonate, and the stem is made out of palm. These switches are priced at $8.99 for a pack of 45, which averages to roughly 20 cents a switch. Overall, the sound of the switches is very creamy and thocky, and is a step up from the Gatorade Yellows. For the feel, there is little to no scratchiness, which is good for a stock switch. The Akko Cream Yellows are definitely worth a buy for people who are on a tight budget but still want a good switch. And here's the sound test. Thanks for watching.